Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femitech video tutorial. Now guys, for this episode I'm gonna actually show you how to enter the startup menu for this HP laptop. In the middle, in the description of the video I should say, I'm gonna actually give you the exact model number, but of course it is one of those Pavilion, HP Pavilion laptop. So presently I'm actually in the startup menu, where of course F1 will give you system information. System diagnostic will be F2. To choose a bit booting device, that would be F9, and you press F10 to enter the BIOS setup, and of course F11 to enter system recovery. So I'm gonna click on the escape button to actually come out of this mode, so just to show you how to actually enter it. So of course you would power up your laptop. So let me just restart it. So you need to power up your laptop. Once you power up your laptop, continue pressing down on the escape key, and that will give you, or that will allow you to enter your boot, your setup menu. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.